Okay, so the item we're going to talk about today is Flitz metal, plastic, and fiberglass polish. It says it restores paint. What I usually use this on is on knife blades. Once they get a little bit of rust or something on them, I usually take a Scotch-Brite pad to them with some WD-40 or something like that, get all the big rust gone, sharpen them up real nice. And if they were at a high polish when I originally got them, I'll take this, put it on the blade, take some paper towels or maybe a wash rag or something like that, and polish it up. That said, this has brass bolsters on it, and as you can see, it's been knocking around in my pocket since Bourbon and Blades at Red Hill Cutlery. It's picked up a little bit of, it's got a natural patina on the blade because it's carbon steel, but it's picked up a little bit of, you know, not little scratches and little just nicks here and there and whatnot, but just from carrying it in the pocket. But this is the side after Flitz. I just polished it. This is the side prior to Flitz. And even if you just look at that ring light, the reflection of it, you see how it's kind of dull and smudged out looking in that. But you turn it over and it is a lot clearer. It's kind of hard to tell on here, but I mean, it is a world of difference from this side to the naked eye anyway. It might be hard to pick up on the camera, but I can definitely tell the difference just sitting here holding it. This is the polished side. This is the unpolished side. I'm going to do the same thing when I get done with this video and put just a little small dab of Flitz here. And if you decide to use this stuff, basically what I do is I spread it around, and it's got kind of a chemical smell to it, so I'm assuming it's fairly acidic or corrosive or whatever. So just take a little paper towel, rub it all over the surface that you want to polish, and just let it sit for a couple minutes. And then take any excess off of it, and then you kind of just in circular strokes go through and just polish that up. And depending on what kind of handle material you have below the brass bolster, you may see some smudges and some blackness and just a little bit of just grossness coming down. And what I did was I sprayed the other side of the paper towel with some WD-40, and I just wiped down these yellow Delrin handles to get that off because I don't want it staining them up. But like I said, I can tell a world of difference just to the naked eye from one side to the other. And I'm going to put a high polish on this side as well. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. But I would highly recommend, if you like knives and you have anything that's got brass that needs any sort of polishing, whether it be knives or any other sort of devices or any sort of tools or anything that you want to polish up, Flitz is where it's at. And I've had this tube for probably a good 10 years, and you can see I'm nowhere close to getting through it. So it's going to last you a long time. So definitely check it out.